Hi, this is Frank. He's French-Canadian. He's been off-roading for the last 15 to 20 years. He builds his own stuff all the time. He's trying to build a lightweight EV Rockcrawler with 40-inch tires, a Nissan Leaf motor and batteries. So let's see what he's been up to recently.
Hi, welcome to my project. Since I finished last time the seats, now I have to complete the cage. So I have a tubing to put from this post to that post to strengthen this part. Most of the buggies don't have doors. They have a straight tubing that goes from there to there, and they have to climb in the buggy. I'm getting old, so I don't like to climb and distort myself and move out the wind the buggy. So I'm gonna have a door. I need to do a really strong door, like I've done with my other buggies. The door on my other buggies are really strong. The entire weight of the buggy can go on it, and it's not gonna cave in. Since the seats are a bit wider, the post that's coming from there and all the way to there gonna have a little angle in it to be sure that all of our bodies is inside of the buggy. I think the best place would be right there where there's a line and go straight down there. Maybe a bit further back, something like that. And I'm gonna do a little kink in it, so it's protecting me better. And after that, the back gonna be reinforced, and I'm gonna build the door that is going to be from this with the big tubing over this, so it's moving freely, and like this, something like this. And in my head, it's very clear. You're going to see all this job done right now. See you. Okay, now since I finish my seats and the sides, I need to put this part back in the back of the seat. So I need to dismantle almost everything over there. I think this is the inverter and the controller. The middle place is the controller for the forward, backward, and the high voltage. And right under it's the motor, and the transmission is over this side with the differential. Uh, so now I'm going to dismantle all of this, put the wiring on the side and everything clean, so I can see how much space I need in the back, how much brace I need to hold this part in the back. And after that, I'm going to be able to put some more tubing to go around the back of the seats to put like the seat belts or some mounting bracket or other things. So that's it for now. See you later. Okay, as you can see, I've just finished installing the component that goes on top of the motor from the Nissan Leaf. It's the inverter, the controller, and everything in all this small package. What I've put a bar between the two frame rails and put some brace that can be bolt on. And on this side, I've did a protective plates so nothing can come inside. And I'm bolting my parts right on top of it. So really strong, protect everything. From my initial thought, I've turned the component 90 degrees because I was not having enough space to remove the bolts from the suspension on this side. Even now it's really tight. I have maybe 2 millimeters to remove the bolts to all the adjustment. But this way, I have no electronics on this side, only the ground and the two pipe for the coolant. And everything else is right behind the seat. So if I need to go there, do something, I just move the seat forward. I have access to everything I need. On the other side, between the motor and this, I have maybe a millimeter, an eighth of an inch. It's really close, but again, since I needed place to install the bolt over there, I needed that place. So for now, that's it for today. Thank you for following me. Please like, share, subscribe, and I hope my English is getting better. I'm doing the best I can. So see you.